Changing your primary email on Renasant Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Renasant Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address listed. Enter your new primary email address in a designated field and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes, and you may receive a confirmation message. After completing these steps, your primary email on Renasant Bank will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from the bank.